Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on comments on a TikTok video. To do this, you just need to go to your TikTok account. Open your TikTok account and go directly to the video that you want to turn on, like the comments on it. And go and click on the three dots on the side and try to scroll in the last options until you find an option called privacy settings. Click on it, and after that, as you can see here, there is an option called allow comments. And if you find it deactivated like this, you just need to click on it, and like that you will activate comments on your video. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and see you in the next one.